customer brings in this 17-year-old BMW, and it hasn't started since December. It's February, and it's really cold. 39 degrees. Ha ha ha. That means that the oil is really cold. We're gonna get this thing started up today, and the best thing to do to get that oil going is to just redline it from a cold start. That'll really get that oil going. And yeah, BMWs. Well, here goes nothing. I'm an expert mechanic. Been doing it since I was a young lad. Wow, that sounds like shit. And you can see why I hate these BMWs. Probably what, like 3 RPM? There she goes. So when your 6-cylinder engine is running on just 1 cylinder, I'll show you an old mechanic's tip to help it get going. Monster Energy. You open up the oil fill, put a little in, that'll help her go. Then you give her a little gas. Now, if I'm making you anxious, some of you BMW fans are getting anxious watching this. Here's a little tip. Mechanic tip. Xanax. That'll calm you right down.
Hey guys, it's Craig Kilmer. Alright, so there's a whole lot of guys on YouTube right now who are claiming, let's retrofit the largest iDrive, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all this shit. Hundreds of mediocre freaking videos about the same freaking topic. It's not the biggest iDrive there is. Today, we're going to install the largest iDrive for your BMW. This is a 24-inch genuine BMW iDrive with Android Auto, navigation, Nintendo Wii. It has dial-up internet, MSN, and it also has games and navigation and porn, all the things you want, you know, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto.
So Mr. Craig man guy, what is this iDrive you speak of?
I'll show you.
All right.
And I know a lot of you are probably too poor for this feature, but for those who don't know what it is, I'll show you right now. Don't film that. Dude, I said don't film that. No one cares about that. So this is the M3. As you can see, it has the iDrive in it.
iDrive?
No, only I drive the M3. I don't let other people drive the M3. Only me.
iDrive?
No, me drive you.
No, what is iDrive?
I don't. Dude, I'm not gonna let you drive the M3. All right, so as you can see, this is the pleb spec. There is no iDrive in here. We're gonna take this old-fashioned head unit and we're gonna install a much more modern head unit as well for more features. Then the unit just slides out like that, nice and easy. So then this, you can just throw it in the back. So get that out of the way, probably. How about get that back in there? There's an OEM tool for this, but this one works too. Come on, dude. There. Okay, so sorry about that. As you can see, this unit is genuine, so it will fit. It slots in perfectly, just like that, and it has a nice like OEM look to it. Let me test fit show you the iDrive unit. I'm gonna get this out of the way too, because you're not really gonna need it. So there's that. And then let me just test fit it. So give me 1 second. So here's the unit. It sits about like this, right? All you have to do, it comes with a stencil, but you just have to make a tiny little incision right here on the dash, and we're just gonna trace roughly where. And yeah, and then so we're just gonna be very careful, and we're gonna take a fine blade, and we're just gonna very carefully cut this out. Well, there. That's the problem. Ain't got no dash in it. So as you can see, we have a perfect cutout. It's a little deeper in there than I thought. So that's gonna be there like that, you know, like that. I think. Hopefully we cut it in the right spot. And then you take the mirror. Oh yeah, have to support it.
BMW engineer.
So the kit directly from FCP Euro, directly from Gareth Foley himself. It includes every cable plus what you need, which is this Walmart brand power inverter for the cigarette lighter, which it just goes, it's as simple as that. And that way you can run these more modern head units. So I got a lot of the main wires going. So we're gonna do some cable management too, but this like that. Yeah, you take the locking retainer down here, this. And everything's broken in this car, dude. I don't freaking understand. I hate this car, man. So then the cables run nice and neat down there. It's all jammed up. I'm the type of person who's really like attention to detail, so we're gonna take our time and we're gonna do some nice cable management to make this look very
Professional.
OEM Plus. And then we're gonna take the head unit and
Slide everything on it.
yeah, plug the stuff that needs to be plugged in. But as you can see, this kit was probably designed for the 750 Li long wheelbase. So that's why these are so long, because from the back seat to the front, it's about 50 yards in the 750 Li. That's why it's called the 50. And that Li stands for long. You know, it doesn't look bad, right?
We're doing our best.
It's good enough. That's kind of freaking annoying how that protrudes. What can I rip out of here to make more room? These factory harnesses, you don't really exactly need them. Previous owner fucking installed this like a This goes into here. I hate to say it, guys, but you know, when it comes to luxury and in modern technology, it's not cheap. You do have to pay to play, if you will. But once you get that status, it's worth it. You know, that's what the BMW image is about, being a pompous douchebag. Absolute fucking prick. Tuck this between the seat, maybe. How about? All right. So the power's all ran, and this is pretty much the final result. This is the first startup. That's pretty nice. So the iDrive controller, you need a set of batteries, which I forgot to get. So we came through the lovely blue and white. Dr. Dean to the pharmacy. Dr. Dean to the pharmacy. All right, so this is the included installation disc. So you just take this. I wonder if is there speakers on this? Well, it's not working. This is amazing.
iDrive. Wee.
So we have included our iDrive controller, well known to all BMW drivers. And in addition to that, very new in the 7 Series, we will have gesture control. So.
Ah, damn.
You can even kind of record a bit, you know. This is actually pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie, I actually really like this.
I mean, it is pretty cool. Just make sure you don't smash your sunroof while you're in the process of enjoying your brand new iDrive. So as you can see, the iDrive is perfectly fitted, factory fresh.
It doesn't prohibit your vision at all.
This is obviously a very relaxed luxury experience from BMW.
As you can see, it's got built-in forecast, news. It has YouTube. It's got Hulu, Amazon, a messaging service.
Nothing like being in my BMW 7 Series with my iDrive. Alright, so what you want to do? Yeah. Alright, I'm winning. F you, Brenda. Dumb bitch. Damn it.
Oh man. Come on, man. Oop, I wasn't looking. I was looking at the camera. You never swing at the first pitch.
Home run.
Wow! This door sticks open like that, but the best way to do it is just and then it unsticks.
BMW.
Yeah, I don't know about you, but I've always just, when I'm driving my car, I'm usually like, man, I wish I could play like Super Smash Brothers Melee. I might have broke the sensor bar.
No. Well, now
There's a way to start the game. It has to be darker. As you can see, the car even has a built-in sensor bar. It's pointing at the lights. And it works.
Very simple. We have this room up here which is monitored by a camera, infrared camera that can actually capture your motion right in this room. And for example, with this simple gesture, I can turn up the volume or I can turn it back down.
Goddamn, get it done, will ya? When the blow up now, everybody someone you should.
I wish the audio worked. No audio in the iDrive because, well, a subscription service these days, you have to pay for the iDrive audio. So,
what a f***ing G.
here, how about Mario? Buddy. Yeah, baby. That's what we're talking about. That's what we want.
Pretty intense hand movements going on here.
Dude, it reminds me of Call of Duty.
Honestly, it reminds me of Fortnite.
Oh, you fucker, you fucker! Nice. One more. You're sitting outside. You're waiting for your car. You're at the dealership getting your car fixed. You know, something typical like that or something.
Yeah.
And you're in the car playing a game. Yeah, baby. There we go. The ultimate wave dashing machine. Drive a the only situation where you could drive a BMW inside of a BMW. But I don't have my copy of Need for Speed. As you can see, it has built-in navigation. As that first picture, that's like Brooklyn, the Brooklyn Bridge. That dirt that was I'm driving in my car. In the car, physically driving in the car. Get it? Do you get it? Popping the drift. Doing the Luigi hits the clutch kick. Fucking sends that tail end spinning. If I don't win, I'm not paying you.
All right.
Yeah.
It actually fits really well.
I actually genuinely like this.
Well,
I think we've kind of
I could see you in the mirror.
exceeded what we've
what we planned.